started off your modeling career somewhere precisely in the 90s with the MR Coffee ad. That's the time when we really saw you there and you made a launch. I would like to know, are you happy with the way the industry, it's just a takeoff question from her. How has it evolved? I mean, at that time it was more of an MR Coffee ad, you went into modeling. Today you are more into a style icon and people look at you. People wait for you to dress up and look good. I mean, you've been doing that on and off of the screen. So what's your take on the present industry?
Well, firstly, sir, yes, I started off in the 90s, so it's been a long way, a long journey for all of us sitting over here. I would definitely think that we've definitely evolved. I think we all believe, I mean, we work with the belief that we all evolve, and so has the industry, because if we don't evolve, then I think there is a problem. We're just going to be stuck in a rut. We've come a long way. I think the industry is far more organized than what it used to be. Yes, there's still a long way where we all have to grow, but you always have to leave space for that growth. And I definitely feel really happy and proud to say that now I'm really part of an industry that is really organized. I mean, earlier I remember it was sab kuch khud karna padta hai. I mean, now it's not like that. Now it is a full-fledged industry, and with a lot more happening and a lot more available. A lot of investment in it, so I think now everybody takes it seriously. You really do take it as a flourishing industry, and it's not something that you can take lightly. So I'm glad that I'm part of it, and very proud to be part of this industry. Yes, well, I am a creative head and consultant on the Label Life, which is an online outfit that we have, where we cater to all sorts of women online, shoppers online, where we cater right from clothing to lifestyle, home style, accessories. We cater to all of that. So yes, I'm very much part of that outfit, and I love it. It's very creative for me, and the online business is a fast-growing business, as everybody is aware. So yes, that's what I'm actively involved in.